Hello kids, it's Mr. Chown here, and I am here to give you a maths lesson. So if you are stuck in and you have not been doing much maths or much writing, please make sure that you stay logged into this channel and you can come back and look at some of my other videos. So this is fun with measuring for Key Stage 1. So if you're in Year 1 or Year 2, and some of you, the first task, if you're in reception, you might be able to do this as well. So we're going to have some fun with measuring in Key Stage 1. So the first thing I want to do is ask you a question, and my question is, can you tell which of these is bigger and which of these is smaller? So if we have a look, I'm going to move this one over here and put it right next to it, and can we see this one is smaller and this one is bigger? So this is the largest puppy and this is the smallest puppy. So if you know which one is bigger and which one is smaller, maybe you can help me out with my next task, because I could really do with some help. So let's have a look at this next one. I need to try and figure out which one of these toys is the smallest and which one of these toys is the biggest. I want to see which one is larger than another one, which one is bigger than, and which one is smaller than. So I need to move them around. Now, looking at these, I think I can see that my LOL doll might be the smallest one. So I think I've got to move that over to where it says smallest. So I'm going to move that over there. And we're going to put it down there, and I'm going to move my teddy bear over here. Now it still doesn't look right to me, but my LOL doll is definitely the smallest. So which is the next biggest? Is it this one? No, because this one is smaller than this one, and this one here is bigger than that one. So I think this might be my next one. So I'm going to move him all the way over here. He's going behind. It's going over here. And let's check, shall we? So if I move these back over. So definitely my transformer is bigger than my LOL doll. But which is the next biggest? I've only got two left to choose from. Let's see. Here we go. So let's move over here. My Ryan's World toy. Mega Titan, Mega Red Titan, and he is definitely bigger than my Transformer, my Bumblebee toy, but he is definitely smaller than my Grootboog teddy bear. I think I'll call him Ted. So teddy bear is the biggest, and now I've put them in order from smallest all the way up to biggest. Oof, that was really hard to do. So what I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to ask you to go and get some of your toys and see if you can measure them from smallest to biggest. So put them in a line and see which is your smallest and see which is your biggest. How many can you do? Can you do 4 like me, or can you do even more? And then if you're feeling really brave, you can measure your toys. So I've got both my LOL doll and my Bumblebee. They're both yellow and black. And I'm going to write the name of them over here. So I could do it, you can do it with a pen, but I'm going to do it with my keyboard because I don't have my pen with me. So I'm going to write transformer goes there. And then I'm going to write LOL. That's an easy one, isn't it? LOL doll. So 2 L's at the end. And now I'm going to measure them. And if I look here, I can see. And remember, I'm not measuring from the bottom of the ruler. I'm measuring from where it says 0. So I'm going to get my 0. I'm going to line it up with his feet. And he is 1, 2, 3 centimeters big. So my transformer is 3 centimeters big. Now, if you don't have a ruler, you can just write a list if you want of smallest to biggest. You can write that out in your list. I'm going to check my LOL doll now. And on the screen, my LOL doll is 1, 2. It is too big. So that is 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. And I use cm for centimetres. And there we go. If you do not have, if you don't want to measure your toys, then why not try and measure something else? You could go and put in order some cups, make sure they're not china, make sure they're not glass, just the plastic ones that you all have in your house. Or if you're really lucky and you ask permission, you might be able to figure out which coins are bigger and which coins are smaller. But I bet you've got some really great ideas of you can order things, putting things from smallest to largest. Try and figure out which is bigger, try and figure out which is smaller, and if you want to, you can write smallest to largest. Or if you want to, you can write, like I did, smallest to biggest. And if you write out smallest to biggest on a bit of paper, you can then line up all your toys. And if you're feeling like you want to be very brave, or there's an adult that can help you, you can practice measuring things as well. But it doesn't have to be toys. What about some of your books? Which are the smaller books? Which are the bigger books? Which is smallest? Which is biggest? So have some fun doing that, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye bye.